Hi everyone, my name is Austin. I'm a certified personal trainer and a registered physical therapist. So today we are going to talk about demonstrating some exercises for the low back area. So if you have been suffering from low back pain and you have a lot of inflammation, it's not the right time to start with exercises. Ideally, you should start with exercises when you have 80 to 85% reduction of symptoms. So most of the exercises which I'm going to show today is for preventing low back pain, or if you have been suffering from a disc injury and after taking anti-inflammatories and physical therapy, and once your pain has reduced for about 80 to 85%, this is the right time to start with these exercises. So today the exercises are going to be focused on the lower back area and to strengthen your core muscles. These are beginner exercises, so you can do about 10 repetitions of each exercise. Once you feel comfortable, you can build up to 15 and gradually go up to 20. Once you reach 20, you're ready for the next stage, which is the intermediate exercises for low back pain. Now for the first exercise, you have to be lying down, face down on your stomach. Both your arms should be to your sides. Keep your arms to your sides. So the most important thing is your cervical spine or your neck should be in a neutral position. It's the same muscle which runs from the base of your skull all the way up to your tailbone. So if you lift your head here, it would shorten the muscle and would not give you the right amount of contraction of the muscles of your lower back. So make sure you keep your spine straight and lift both your shoulders off the bed and hold it here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and go back down. So the goal of holding is to activate maximum number of muscle fibers. Now if you have been suffering from low back pain and you have spasms because of the pain, the muscle shuts down. We have to reactivate the muscle, re-teach the muscle to contract again. So holding is the key to get this goal. Again, go up, hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and go back down. So if you want to do these exercises, you can pause the video here, finish 10 repetitions and then click on play for the next exercise. We focus on the glutes. You have to remember it's not just strengthening your lower back, it's also your glutes, because the right side of your glutes works with your left side of your lower back and the left with the right. So it's highly imperative that you have to strengthen your gluteal muscles. To work on the glutes, first you need to bend your knee. Bending the knee takes the hamstrings out of play, so we are focusing only on the glutes. Keeping your knee bent at this position, raise your knee off the bed for a few inches, 3 to 4 inches. Hold for 3 seconds, 1, 2, 3 and go back down. Don't raise your knee too high because that would lead to compensating at the hip level where you would see your hip tilting. Try to keep your hips level and raise your knee off the bed for 3 to 4 inches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go down. Again. 1, 2, 3. Down and up. 1, 2, 3. Down. So you can pause the video here again. Try to get in 10 to 15 repetitions and then we switch to the next exercise. The next exercise is for the core. The core muscles are muscles which are behind your abdominals. So in order to activate them, there is a specific technique like what we call as a tummy tuck. So to activate your core, you need to tuck your tummy in, tuck it in, tuck it in, tuck it in a scooping sort of movement. You can place both your hands on your abdomen so you can feel the tummy tucked in. Keeping your tummy tucked in, breathe in normally through your chest. Breathe normally. Always remember that when you tuck your tummy in, don't hold your breath. This is very, very important. These tummy tucks are the foundation exercise for the intermediate level. So make sure you learn how to tuck your tummy in. Tuck your tummy in and hold. Fantastic. Now, keeping your tummy tucked in, we will use the weight of your legs to act as resistance to strengthen your core muscles. Now, keeping your tummy tucked in, bend one knee, go up, and then go back down. Now let's do the other leg. down. Take your time. If you feel that you lost the contraction of your core, contract your core again and raise your legs again. Down, the left side. Down, the right side. Down, the left side. Throughout the movement, make sure that you are breathing normally. Never hold your breath. Exercise number 4. You have to bend both your knees. Alright. So now keeping your knees bent and your hands on your tummy, contract your core in. Now keeping your core tucked in, I want you to squeeze your glutes as hard as possible. Now while squeezing your glutes, let your hips move up on their own. Squeeze, squeeze and go up, 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 up and go back down. Try to use your lower back as minimum as possible. Focus mainly on your glutes. Tuck your tummy in, squeeze, 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 squeeze and go back down. Give me a couple of reps more. Tuck your tummy in, squeeze, all the way back down. Tummy tuck in, squeeze, 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 squeeze and go back down. Squeezing the glutes is the most important thing to focus on other than tucking your tummy in. Make sure you don't focus on just moving your hips up and down, because then you will be using a lot of your lower back, which is not the goal. So pause the video again, try to get in 10 to 15 reps. If in any of these exercises you feel any kind of pain or discomfort, stop immediately and move to the next exercise. Exercise number 5. Bend both your knees. Now this exercise is going to focus on the superficial abdominal muscles. Keep your hands across your chest this way and your neck straight. So I want you to squeeze your abs as hard as possible, which will make your shoulders roll forward. Make sure that your lower back and your middle back stays flat on the bed. Alright, squeeze your abs and go back down. 1. Again. 2. Squeeze. 3. Let's do 10 reps. So you don't need to tuck your tummy in this exercise. Just make sure you're squeezing your abs and not using your shoulders for movement. Squeeze. Exhale on the way up and inhale on the way down. 7. Give me 3 more. 8. 9. And 10. Well done. So, if you are starting with these exercises, I suggest doing the first 2 exercises for a couple of days as a trial. See how your back responds. If you don't have any kind of pain or discomfort, then you can start adding exercise number 3, 4 and 5. Once you are able to build up to doing 20 reps of each exercise, then you can start to proceed to doing the intermediate level. So I hope this helps. If you have any comments, any suggestions, please let me know. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.